Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, today we have Subham with us, and yesterday he had the interview. That means 2nd of September 2021, and today he is going to share his experience. So what we have come to know is, so first Infosys has started the interview with CS and IT student. So the branches, other branches like mechanical, civil, electrical, electronics. So I think you need to wait for some more days. So it will happen in batches, and everybody will get the interview call if you are shortlisted. So welcome Subham to Online Study for You platform. The
Thank you, sir.
complete
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, so the complete platform is yours now. So I would like to share the complete experience with Infosys of what you had yesterday. That means 2nd of September 2021 at 10 a.m. You can start.
So, sir, the interview was on a WebEx platform.
Mhm,
So he took me on a meeting at 10 a.m.
mhm,
Then he started with he just make me comfortable that how are you, Shubham? How your day is going?
mhm,
At what time you wake up in the morning to prepare in the interview also.
mhm,
So and also then he started his introduction. So around 2 minutes he just gave introduction that I am working in Infosys since 11 years, and I am a developer from since 11 years, and I'm just working with all over India projects also
mhm,
in something specific domain. So
mhm,
then after introduction he just tell me that, Shubham, you can give your brief introduction so we
mhm,
can move further with our interview process.
mhm,
So later I just gave my introduction. I
mhm.
just watched your mock interview with that one girl. So it
Mhm.
helped me a lot. So I
Okay.
just gave a brief idea that what should I tell.
Okay.
Then later I just gave a brief introduction.
Mhm,
In introduction, I just tell my schooling, all my projects, not detail in projects. I just
mhm,
want to highlight those who are watching. Don't highlight your project technical details in the introduction. Just give the title of the introduction. First,
okay.
he tell me that you should go with step-by-step introduction. Like you have to tell basic about a project only.
Mhm.
After introduction, he started with my internship. Then
Okay.
he asked about my internship that here I am having your resume,
Mhm,
and you have done an internship as an Android developer. So
mhm,
what was your role? What was your task? And what was your output in the specific task? So
mhm,
each and everything he asked about internship. Later he comes to in my project only, final year project.
mhm,
Then this is very important that I should tell that in project he asked everything, like whatever he can ask. Like he asked me about title. Then
mhm,
he asked me about the what was the real time application with your project,
mhm,
what how this is going to make impact in the market.
mhm,
Then he asked me what is the algorithm you used. Like my project was related to eye blinking detection and face recognition.
mhm,
So he asked what there are several algorithms in the market for face detection and eye blinking detection.
mhm.
So from that, which algorithm you used?
Okay.
Then he asked me about what was your server side, means for storing purpose what you have used. You have used SQL or you have used any kind of some another database. So I just mentioned that I have used Firebase.
Okay.
So again, who are using the Firebase database or some SQL, then he should know everything about Firebase and SQL. Then he asked me what was the output of the project. Like I've created the Android application.
Mhm,
Then whatever you are doing in Android application, whether it is storing in Firebase in real time, sir.
mhm,
Whenever you are fetching data from the Android Studio,
mhm,
Android mobile application, then
mhm.
whether it is showing in database or not in real time. Then I
Okay.
said, yes, I have connected. I have used three features. Like in Firebase, I have used authentication, real-time database, and storage purpose, storage facility. That three.
Mhm,
Then he asked me about, tell me how you have calculated eye blinking, like how the laptop is going to know, how the PC is going to know that, okay, after two blinking, then the output is coming. So
mhm,
how you have calculated? So I just know everything about since I have created this project. So I
mhm,
just explain everything.
mhm,
Then later he comes to what are the libraries. So
mhm.
everything about detailed technical questions in project. No another excuse that everything, whatever possibility is there. He just
Okay.
wanted to check. And
Okay.
after that, he just asked me about strengths and weakness. After he just the completion of the technical round, this was enough. No technical question like what is the Java, what is the nothing,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
nothing.
Okay.
And he even don't give me code to write.
Mm-hmm.
But there are two friends who get the code to write.
Okay.
There is
Okay.
one friend who get the program
Mm-hmm.
to reverse the string,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
and
Mm-hmm.
also he says that you can use any predefined function in Java, or you can write it in any program.
Okay. 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 Great.
And also there is one friend who got the analytical question, logical reasoning.
Mm-hmm.
So the question was, if you are sitting, if you are in home and you are just standing, and some suppose ball is fallen in your head, then how you gonna calculate the height of that, how distance, that height you have to find, and you don't have any kind of calculator and nothing.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay.
So
Okay.
you have to just calculate the height of that ball, distance that from your head to that ceiling fan.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Yeah, that was so. Some people are getting code to write also, and some are not getting the code. So
Mm-hmm.
it
Yeah.
depends to person to person, sir.
Person to person, yeah, that's what we depicted in our videos also. So we have uploaded many videos. So in one we show
Yeah,
them they're asking the program, in one we showed them they're not asking the program. If somebody is from singing background, they're asking to sing also. So all those things are like real life interview experiences that happens in interview. And even I am the panel of the interview for different companies. So we generally conduct according, we go
yes,
according to the resume. Yeah, you can proceed.
yes, sir. Later he just asked me about strengths and weaknesses, and then I just told about my all that strengths and weaknesses.
Hmm.
Later he asked me very interesting question, that why Infosys. This is actually basic question, but he told me that don't answer me the Googled question.
Google and answer. Yeah.
Google answer. So don't.
Yes,
He
yes.
just tell every candidate just know why Cognizant, why Infosys. Just tell me which will connect me.
Mhm, mhm.
Why
Then
you personally think you should join this Infosys.
so what was your answer?
So I would like to tell who. I just told that. Starting career with the MNC, it will give me a boost. It will just same criteria. What should I tell something else? No, sir.
Yes, yes, correct, correct.
It will help me and all this stuff I have just said. But he was quite happy, sir. He was just satisfied. He was just
Okay,
smiling, and he was just satisfied with my answer.
okay, great, great,
Then
great.
later he again he shift to my project.
Mhm,
Again he shift to my project. Later
mhm,
he was just not following the pattern. He was
mhm,
just shifting here and there.
mhm,
Then later he asked me, okay, whenever you are creating projects in this pandemic, what do you think, how you manage all the things, that how you train your models, how you created the code, in which platform you use to write the code,
mhm,
so everything. Then he asked me that sometimes we get demotivated during the project due to this, there is no appropriate output, then how you manage this situation. So he just basically thinking, taking consideration that how is my thought process,
mhm. Correct, correct.
how I am tackling the situation, the panic situation.
Mhm, mhm. Okay.
Then yeah, just and then afterwards he just successfully, he just said that okay, I'm done from my side, you
Mhm,
can ask any questions.
mhm,
So I just want to tell whoever is just watching, just at least ask 1 to 2 questions. Sir, I have already mentioned that I've watched your videos. That girl is also saying that at least 2 questions should be there from your side. That this shows that you are interested in the Infosys exam, I mean Infosys company.
true,
So it
true,
shows this interest.
true,
So you
true.
should just at least basic questions.
Mhm.
Just don't go so personal. Personal questions. Don't go for the personal
So
question.
what
Just
was
ask
your,
related organization.
so what did you
My
ask?
question was
Mhm.
My question was that, sir, have you tackled this pandemic all situation, that how Infosys employees are tackling this pandemic situation, whether it is affecting your daily life, how you are maintaining all the balance.
Good
He
question.
just gave a very nice and polite answer. He was just answered everything. Just
Mm.
yeah, we are enjoying actually.
One last question to you. So, this online
Yes,
study
sir.
for you videos, whatever we are putting, the interview experiences and how to prepare the, interview or whatever we have done for Infosys. So, was it useful for you guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Actually, during the Infosys aptitude question, I have just followed you blindly your playlist, sir. that Infosys preparation playlist. There are almost 70 videos. I just finished everything. That's 90 to 20 minutes duration is there. I just finished every playlist, that pseudo code, all
Mhm,
that ma'am is taking, that verbal ability also, and
mhm,
also code explanation that ma'am is taking.
mhm.
Also, everything I just blindly followed your videos only. I just
Okay,
recently discovered your channel, and then
okay,
everything I just followed blindly. During the Cognizant time also, I have just followed your videos. That the Cognizant interview experience you taken, I have also successfully that done the Cognizant interview.
okay, great, great, great.
Everything just I just blindly followed your all that videos,
Okay,
previous year experience and all.
okay, great, Subham. I wish you all the best and you get selected in Infosys too. And I would love to have you
Yeah, yeah,
back
sir.
on
Yes, sir.
our channel. So once you get the result from the Infosys, so
Yeah, yeah, for sure, sir, for sure.
I'll be definitely waiting for you.
Yeah,
And I'm very much
anytime.
I'm very much thankful to you because you know decided to help others. And trust me, in this world there
Yes, sir,
is
yes, sir.
nothing more than helping others. So
Yes, sir,
definitely,
yes, sir.
I'm
The
very much
students are
thankful.
just getting panic that, yeah, yes, sir. Just
Mhm.
I just tell that don't just panic, just stick to basics only. Just do some basic programming questions. Then everything will be okay.
True, and focus on project. So that's what even we are telling them.
Yes, sir. Focus every detail. If they are not asking technical question, just focused on the project.
Mhm.
Every algorithmic part, everything.
Correct, correct. Okay, Swam, thanks a lot for coming to our platform.
Thank you, sir.